Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you how to make a tornado potato cutter at home. You need a 21 by 11 centimeter board, a kitchen knife, 4 8mm to 11 centimeter bolts, a plastic cap, a clothespin, and some more bolts and screws. Drill 2 holes in the board. All the sizes are shown in millimeters.
Расстояния все указаны в миллиметрах.
Tighten 2 nuts at this level with washers. Drill a hole in the plastic cap and cut the cap this way to make its edges jagged. Screw a wing nut onto the bolt. Insert the bolt with the nut here, and attach the plastic crown onto the bolt with nuts. Mount the knife and the clothespin. Lock the knife blade with the clothespin and make sure you have a slot for the blade in the board. The blade should be angled to the right. Let's check how it works. Pierce a potato with a barbecue skewer. Rotate the bolt while holding the knife. Make sure the knife touches the stick. This is how a tornado potato should look. All you need to do is fry it. If you enjoyed watching this video, click like and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of interesting crafts and experiments coming up soon. See you!